After using this device for 1 month, I'll bring you my review about Hot 30i right here on this channel. So follow us and like the video. I've been right here on this channel. See you again. Stay alive. Your gifts are also welcome. Bye for now.